Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Markets and Matchups. As always, we'll jump into the markets before we start to chat footy. Okay, Luke, time to chat markets. What's been happening lately?
New financial year, so that's always exciting to turn the calendar. We're a week into it. Good start so far. ASX up about 60 basis points. US a little bit similar on the S&P. Nasdaq down a little bit. We've seen a bit of a rotation out of that tech trade, which really drove the Nasdaq and a few other global markets. But the big thematic is the recovery in all these beaten down stocks. So you get that tax loss selling at the end of the year, people clearing out the portfolios, a bit of spring cleaning, and then sort of mood changes. So CSL up 8% last week, WiseTech up 12%. Yep. They were two of the biggest losers over FY26. So it's something we'll probably see for a few more weeks. There's always sort of, elevated volatility and movements around end of financial year. And then we come into reporting season in August, which, will then sort of set the market direction for the next few months. Okay, great. And any key catalysts or events coming up? Well, the main one, will be reporting season. So we're sort of in that period. It's called confession season, where companies that have some guidance out there or have some consensus numbers, if they're going to miss that, we're seeing trading updates. So if you're a fund manager or you're got some direct equities in your portfolio, you sort of dread seeing trading updates at this time of year because it's usually companies coming out before their results to cushion some bad news or let people know what's going on. So fingers crossed, but we get through a good reporting season on the back end of the year. Okay, Ryan, key events?
Yeah, so key events for this week, we've got the Federal Reserve June meeting minutes coming out today. And then on Thursday, China are releasing their inflation data. So,
okay, great. Week. Yeah. Okay, time to chat footy. Okay, guys, time to chat footy. Ryan, you're back from the Soccer World Cup, or the Football World Cup, if you will.
Football World Cup.
Any key takeaways?
Can we talk about football for a little bit?
Yeah, let's talk about football. Why not?
Okay, well, I was over there supporting New Zealand, who didn't do that great, but I was there just for vibes, I guess.
Sport.
But, I don't know. It's been pretty interesting World Cup. Like a lot of teams knocked out early. We had Brazil knocked out just, I think, 2 days ago. A couple of the big
USA
dogs.
knocked out today.
Yeah. So it'll be an interesting end. I think we're getting to quarterfinals now. I'm tipping England. But
you are?
I think so. I think Argentina have a pretty easy run, but we'll see how they go.
Okay. I'm going to go England as well. If you had to pick someone?
France look pretty good to go back-to-back.
Yeah, they do. I mean, it'll be pretty interesting. I'm keen to see.
Yeah, I love how everyone gets around it every 4 years.
I know.
It's really fun atmosphere at the pub. Everyone's there watching.
Yeah. It's a shame the Socceroos were knocked out, though.
I know. But such is life. Okay, football. Did you guys watch any games this week?
Yeah, I went along to the Knights game on Sunday. Very similar to last week. Remember, I came and said it rained. Yeah, same thing. So second half rolled around. We got a bit of rain. So it was me and my daughter again sitting on the wet hill. But again, fortunately, the boys got home. So 13-12, late field goal from Dylan Brown. So
another close game. There's been plenty of close games lately.
Yeah, I feel like it's good. Like, as a Knights fan, we're so used to losing these games over the last few years. We struggle with the grind. Yeah. But I don't know what it is this year. Like, we're in the grind in these games and we're actually getting away with a win, which is pretty cool. So, yeah.
A few buys this week. Warriors were playing. Did you watch any other games?
Yeah, well, I watched the Dragons played the Tigers. Dragons' second win of the season for them.
Yeah.
Pretty exciting. Was not a close game, right? I think Tigers have a lot of work to do coming back into the season. They're just being so inconsistent. They had a great start.
Yeah.
But just
a few good games and then
I thought that was a shoo-in for them to win that game, but I know.
Yeah.
I guess we'll see.
If it's not at Leichhardt, it doesn't look like they're winning.
I know. Well, I guess they're not playing there for 2 years, is it now?
Yeah, I think it's 2027.
Yeah.
Well, Panthers also won. And then we have Origin tonight. Who are you guys backing?
I'm coming around to thinking the Blues can win.
Yeah, I think so.
I think, well, Queensland, they always want to be the underdogs. And I think there's all this chatter about they're the better team and they should win. I feel like they won't handle it well.
Home advantage, though.
Yeah, that's tough. That's tough. They'll play well in front of the home crowd, but I think we've got a good team. And there's not much expectation on them, and I think they can go up there and steal it.
Yeah,
they did it a few years ago.
I think so.
I'm going for Queensland.
Of course.
Yeah, I think they're going to win. I think it'll be pretty close. Like 22-18 is my guess.
Oh, okay. Should we put money on that?
Okay, what's your bet?
22-18 the other way.
Okay, done.
$50. Okay, great. Well, hopefully New South Wales comes away with the win. Thank you guys for watching another episode of Markets and Matchups. We will see you next week with more finance and footy.